Hi, everyone. Are you looking to transfer your iCloud calendar to your computer or sync them between different iCloud accounts? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through using AnyTrans iCloud Calendar Management mode to effortlessly manage your calendar with just a few clicks. Whether you're aiming to free up storage or keep your calendar organized across accounts, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and get started. Please launch AnyTrans on your computer. Then, please click iCloud Manager option. Please click the Sign In button. Then a window for logging into the iCloud website will pop up. Enter the correct Apple ID and password, and make sure that the network connection is stable at the same time. Besides, AnyTrans attaches great importance to your privacy and will never record your Apple account information or content at any time. Please use it at ease. After you log in your iCloud successfully, AnyTrans will load your data automatically and show the total number of calendar on the upper right of the calendar icon. Please click the calendar icon to have a check. If it shows empty in the calendar icon, it means that there is no calendar on your iCloud account. You will see all the calendar you have. Then, you can manage your iCloud calendar as below. Download calendar to computer. Delete the unwanted calendar. Refresh the interface to load calendar correctly. Sync calendar between different iCloud accounts. To transfer the iCloud calendar to your computer, please choose the calendar you want and click the download icon to transfer calendar to your computer. Here are 3 export formats, please just choose the one you want. Once the transferring process is completed, you will see Transfer Completed page. To locate calendar exported on computer, please click View Files button. Thanks for your watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.